Who's messaging you?
Huh?
Who was messaging you? I heard that.
Oh, it's my doorbell at my house.
Oh, it's the doorbell. I know about the Ring app.
The Ring, yeah, I have that. The Ring.
Thank you. You're welcome.
So someone bumped you off my route as well?
I can't hear you. Wait.
Someone bumped you off my route as well?
I fell?
No, someone bumped you off my route.
No. They left the route. They left the route.
Then maybe it's my old driver then. I'm not sure. Just recording the last moments on my second replacement bus driver.
Yeah, that happens.
Who's ringing your doorbell this time?
Again.
Wait, is it the mailman? Boy, they should replace the... They should probably fix up the road.
Yesterday when we made that turn,
Yeah.
like with the Honda,
Yeah.
the Muni driver next to me.
Just did that.
Huh?
That Muni driver pulled it off, right?
Yeah, but he's a rookie. He don't know how to drive.
What?
Did you see how he made a turn?
I think...
Are you taping me?
I do take Muni.
But he made the turn not the right way.
Oh.
508 floor, come in, please.
And it was an 8500 bus?
Hey, you have a package here.
Wait, it was an 8500 series bus, right?
No.
Okay, then it's a 44, right?
Well, this one, yeah, yes.
Ah, I see.
See right here? When he
Yeah.
made that turn,
Yep.
he went into my lane. Because there's no way you can make a turn in a bus right there.
Oh.
There's no way. You have to go into my lane. So that's why I have to wait.
Yep. There's 86, 13, or 13.
That's a 44.
Yep. C8501.
And see that other bus? He's doing the wrong thing.
Yep.
That's not a bus stop. You should go inside.
I think it's because it's a lot crowded. I see. I know bus 8803 just went in there, but sometimes Muni drivers sometimes do that, like that bus driver who's driving 85.
But it's kind of unsafe. Right?
Mm-hmm. And I'm currently at 267 subscribers.
How many?
Yep. Whoa!
You see that?
I saw that! What the?
Oh, I just saved this.
There's
I just saved
80.
this.
I saw that! I got it on film as well! I caught that on film!
I saved this. What a crazy guy.
What the freak in my water bottle?
Caught it?
My violin case caught it. Hold on. Yeah, look at this dumb driver. I got his license plate as well. Get that license plate reported to the police station. And yeah. Only if necessary. My god, that could have been dangerous. Our bus would have been totaled. This dumb driver in a Subaru. Well, at least I got some parts of my video.